Today we have this BMW X1 and we've completed all the mechanical work on this car. So this car came in with a problem where the owner was saying that he's experiencing a lot of jerking in the car, and this suddenly started. So there was also an error of driving stabilization which was showing on the cluster, and what we did is we did a complete check of everything, including the wiring and the overall mechanical condition of the car. So when we checked in detail, we found that there was a rat bite problem. Which we have identified, isolated, and we have done the resoldering of all the wires. Plus, upon checking the condition of the transmission oil, we found that the viscosity was very low. So we recommended to replace both the pan filter as well as the transmission oil. And now we've completed all the work. Now the car is running absolutely smooth, zero issues, and all the errors from the cluster also have been eliminated. So if you need any such mechanical work for your car, please do let us know. We can handle anything right from rat bite to other normal running issues as well.